Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can remove or insert the SIM card on the iPhone 14 series. So first let's go back to the home screen here, and I'm going to flip the iPhone over because I'm right hand. So over here on the left hand side you can use a SIM pin and push into the SIM tray, and this will push out the SIM tray, so pull out gently, and then I'm going to turn it over and pull out my SIM tray. On the SIM tray you can push down here at the bottom to lift up the SIM card. It uses a nano SIM card, and with a nano SIM card make sure that you have the gold metal contact facing up like that. Let it go sit onto the SIM tray, and on your SIM tray just push it into the side like this. Push it all the way in, and that is how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now if you are in the United States, you do not have the option of a physical SIM, so instead you will have two eSIM on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.